What's going on, guys? So if you saw my recent outro, it might have been in one or two videos before this video. I figured I would show y'all exactly how I did it because I put it on my Instagram asking how people liked it, and a lot of people did like it. A couple people asked me how I did it and whatnot, so I figured I would let y'all know exactly how to do it. This is on my MacBook Pro, and this is with Movie Maker. So if you don't have a MacBook, I don't really know what to tell you. There is, like media player and stuff like that on PC, but honestly, it kind of stinks. It takes forever to, render things, and there's not nearly as many options. Of course, iMovie is nowhere near as good as like Final Cut Pro and stuff like that, but it definitely gives you enough options to completely edit videos and do some pretty cool little things here and there with it. So I'm going to let y'all know, if you do have a MacBook Pro or any Mac, this is going to be how you do it, because I didn't know until recently, and I figured I would share with y'all because a lot of y'all, I think, are new to the YouTube scene. Maybe you're making YouTube videos now, or you're getting into it, or whatever it might be, and you want to make a cool intro or outro. So I figured I'd let y'all know how to do it. So this is the one I made. Let's check it out. So as you see, it's I think it's pretty cool looking, and there's two different videos in each one. So you see that transition right there, that's from one video to another, and then the truck goes from one to another as well. So that slightly complicates things, as well as having two different videos. This is easiest with just one video, but I'm going to show y'all how to do, either way. So we're going to go ahead and clear this out. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into Safari, you're going to go to YouTube Outro. So you're just going to want to go find an image, whatever you like. You can use any of these, whether it be 1, 2, 25, just any of these that you like. Most of these, like this stuff, is not going to work because it's already got channel name there. You're not going to be, I guess you could go over there and block it out and then put your name in it or whatever. But as far as, making things easy, you want to go to one like what I got, like right here. And it already says, thanks for watching and subscribe. You don't have to do anything typing. You don't have to put any other things on it. So I've already got that saved. So let's go into our Movie Maker, or iMovie, And so we've got it down here, but first thing you want to do, so if you've got like on here where you've got the transition, okay, you've got to do this first because you can't do it in iMovie in real time. So you got to go in here. This is a separate video. You want to, put one half in here, crop it. First of all, figure out how long you want it to be, whether it be 15 seconds, 20, 10, 5, whatever it might be. How long you want your intro or outro. So then you get your two videos that you want to mash together. You crop them. You go up here, like I did, transition, the cross zoom, and that puts you put in between. Then you can edit two together. So I've got this one at 15. So you have to go ahead and save this, which I've already done, but you'll just go and save it. If you're unfamiliar, you just go up here, hit File, and follow the prompts. And then once it's saved, you will delete this because that was the unedited version. Then you will pull in the one that you just saved. So that one, this is you're ready to go. This is for one of the slots. So then you want to pull in the one that you had. Well, wants to be complicated. Pull in the picture, and for starters, as you see, it zooms. So you want to click on there, go here, because it always does the Ken Burns thing. You got to fit, so then it doesn't move, and it'll be consistent. So then you want to take your other one, drag it over here, and figure out, we already got it at 15 seconds, so let's drag this. Let's drag this over here so they line up. Okay, so now that you've done that, you can go into here, up here, cutaway, picture in picture. So there's the video. So then you can adjust this. We'll drag it, make it about that big right there. You can do them however big. You can do it over this, over that. You can do the whole thing, whatever. So let's play that. And right here, you want to take this little guy out so it starts immediately and it doesn't do the little fade in. Okay, so we've got that, but you're not able to, let's say, put another video in here on the back side of it, just like this one, and then do the same thing, because it'll just transition the next video to right here, and this will be blank again. So what you have to do is you have to do this twice. All you have to do, go here, let's save it. We'll do outro vid. We'll save that, and I'll see y'all in a second. So now that we have it saved, we want to go ahead and cancel that out. Go up here. We're going to bring it in from desktop. So it's going to be our outro vid. Let's import that. So here it is right here. Obviously I've already done it a couple times, but so this is what we got. And you can take the sound off if you want, which we will be doing. So that's there. So let's say we want to throw in something of the truck. So we'll get it starting about right here. Go ahead and crop this guy out. We'll drag it over. Just crop right there. Okay, and same thing. Go up here, picture in picture. So voila. Now we have two of them up there. And I'm not going to be too exact with getting it the exact size or whatever, but so now you have both, and so they both have video. Same thing with this guy. I always forget to drag that over. So, looks pretty cool. So, now you need some music, right? So we're going to go in here. We're going to mute these guys. And we've got our music right here. Just drag it down. I'm not going to crop it up or anything. So let's see what we got right here. So as you see, it's all working. We got music on it and everything. And if you see right here, we got copyright free trap. So a lot of people ask me where I get the music from. Some people don't like the music I use, and some people love it, obviously, but you have to deal with copyright issues on YouTube. So you can't just put the newest, hottest Drake song on your video and not get in trouble about it. You'll either get the video removed or they'll claim copyright and they'll get the revenue from it. So you can't do that. But what you can do is go on YouTube and you can type in copyright and then whatever genre you want of music. I usually do trap or rap or whatever beats, you know, get some good beats going. So that's just what I typically do. So go over here, we'll crop this down. Oop, that didn't work right. I'm uploading 2 videos right now, so my computer is kind of working max overload at the moment. Yeah, so that's our final thing. I think that's about it to explain. That's how you do a cool outro, and obviously you can do a good intro. You just have to find the right backdrop to put these on, and that's how you do it. Definitely, I can't really help you much for the PC guys, but if you have Mac, this is a very easy way to do it on iMovie and do it for free. And yeah, so definitely let me know if y'all have any other things you want me to show you about something to do with the videos or whatever. I'm no expert when it comes to editing and stuff. I only use Movie Maker back in the day, and then now iMovie. So I'm no expert. You know, somebody that uses Final Cut Pro and stuff like Jacob, there is endless amounts of things you can do with that, and it's honestly pretty astonishing and, well, kind of overwhelming when you first get on Final Cut Pro. And I haven't bought it because it is a good bit of money, and I need to buy it at some point, but Movie Maker really does do a great job. For me, it allows you to do a ton of different stuff, so highly recommend, you know, maybe investing in a Mac or whatever the case might be. But hopefully y'all did enjoy. Hopefully I showed y'all, you know, taught y'all something. Tell me if you've uploaded a video about it, and I'll be sure to check it out. And aside from that, I guess I'll catch y'all on the next one.